The Philippine Air Force is taking another leap forward in its modernization efforts, and this time, it's the FA-50 fleet getting a significant upgrade. From training platform to light multi-role fighter, this is the transformation of the FA-50PH into a more capable air combat machine under the new Block 10 standard. Today, we're diving deep into what the FA-50 Block 10 upgrade really means for the PAF, and how this compact Korean-made jet is slowly becoming a powerful force multiplier in the region. The FA-50PH was first delivered to the Philippines in 2015 through a landmark defense deal with South Korea's Korea Aerospace Industries, or KI. Designed as a lead-in fighter trainer, the FA-50 was originally meant to train pilots for more advanced aircraft, but with its speed, agility, and weapon integration, it quickly became much more than a trainer. It became the Philippine Air Force's go-to multi-role fighter, capable of defending the skies and delivering precision strikes when needed. The recent upgrade to Block 10 standard for 11 of the PAF's FA-50s unlocks a range of new capabilities, bringing the jet closer to modern multi-role status, targeting pod integration suite, precision weapon integration, cockpit display and control, refinements, and mission planning and data link enhancements. These software upgrades allow for improved situational awareness, faster targeting, and expanded strike capability. The FA-50 Block 10 is now fully compatible with the Sniper Advanced Targeting Pod, giving pilots the ability to identify, track, and designate targets from long distances, even in contested environments. And in terms of strike weapons, the FA-50 is now confirmed to be using the GBU-12 Paveway 2 and AGM-65 Maverick. But that's not all. The FA-50PH has also been armed with new air-to-air weapons, making it far more capable in air defense and dogfight scenarios. Python 5 missile short-range, heat-seeking missile, highly maneuverable, off-boresight capability, and has effective range, 20 kilometers. Derby ER missiles, medium to long-range active radar-guided missile, beyond visual range, BVR, capability, and effective range, 50 to 100 kilometers. These weapons, especially the Derby ER, give the FA-50 a credible BVR combat option, something that was once lacking in the PAF's inventory. The integration of these Israeli-made missiles and targeting systems wasn't done alone. The upgrades were done in cooperation with Israel's defense industry, reportedly with permission and coordination from KI, Korea Aerospace Industries. This shows a growing interoperability between South Korean and Israeli defense tech, with the Philippines benefiting from both. So why is this Block 10 upgrade so important? Because it allows the FA-50PH to operate like a true light multi-role fighter, capable of precision strikes, air policing, and now even BVR air combat. And more importantly, it gives the PAF more teeth, while it continues to await the delivery of more advanced fighters. Even more exciting, these jets aren't done evolving. The current Block 10 configuration is upgradable to Block 20 and even Block 70 in the future. These versions will bring in AESA radar systems, aerial refueling capability, more advanced targeting, pods, and even enhanced electronic warfare tools. Once upgraded, the FA-50 could fill a gap that sits between a trainer jet and a full-fledged 4.5 generation fighter, ideal for nations like the Philippines with limited budgets but growing defense needs. In the end, the FA-50PH is proving to be a two-in-one platform, a cost-effective trainer for future fighter pilots, and credible combat-ready multi-role aircraft. With its new Block 10 upgrades, the Philippine Air Force is no longer just flying a trainer jet. They're flying a jet that can fight and win when called upon. Asterisk, this is a bold step forward in the Philippines' journey to secure its skies and seas. And it's only just the beginning. Subscribe for more updates on the modernization of the armed forces of the Philippines. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Asterisk, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.